Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it. Here's to coaches. Here's to the ones who inspire you. Here's to the ones that help you find your stance. Here's to the ones who teach you you're smarter than you think you are. Here's to the ones who take you to the place of safety and security. Here's to the ones who will try to help you stay there. You've had great coaches throughout your life. Working with a financial advisor propels you to continue in that direction. Like all mentors, a financial coach is not just someone who knows the game, but someone who knows you. Here's to a bright financial future. Here's to you.